27 months after she lost her husband in an anti insurgency operation in Kashmir's Pulwama, 29-year-old Nitika Kaul embraces the army uniform after completing 1 year of rigorous training. She was married to Major Vibhuti Shankar for just 9 months when the news of him making the supreme sacrifice for the nation during a gunfight turned her world upside down. Nitika, who presented a brave face during the last rites of her husband, had left her job with an MNC to join the army. Nitika's heart-wrenching farewell to her husband shook the nation. Despite the devastating loss, she chose not to slide into a dark mental place and stood up strong and decided to follow her husband's footsteps. So how can one develop such mental strength to sail through the dark patches of life? Mentally strong people have healthy habits. They manage their thoughts and behaviors in ways that set them up for success in life. In this video, we will see 7 things mentally strong people don't do that you should also avoid so that you become mentally strong and live a peaceful life. Mentally strong people don't feel the world owes them anything. If a person makes a mistake and feels frustrated, then they are inviting more frustration and anger into their life. Comparatively, mentally strong people can shift their focus away from their problems. No matter whether you're the smartest person on the planet or you've persisted through life's roughest situations, you don't become more deserving of good fortune than anyone else. Mentally strong people keep themselves busy by doing good acts. Instead of asking what you deserve, focus on how you can serve. Mentally strong people don't focus on things they can't control. For example, if a mentally strong person loses their job, they don't dwell into the feeling of sadness as they can't control others' decisions. Instead, they work on themselves and focus on what they have and build their dream. Mentally strong individuals do not spend precious time pitying themselves. They replace self-pity with gratitude. But one cannot always feel optimistic or grateful because the fear of what we can't control is overwhelming. Renowned psychotherapist Amy Morin suggests that when you feel like your life is out of control, take out a piece of paper and write down the things you can't control and tear it down. Remember, you can't control what has happened to you, but you can control how you respond to it. Mentally strong people don't make the same mistakes over and over. When you own and study your mistakes, you're less likely to repeat them in the future. Owning up to mistakes and correcting them is a sign of strength, and it's what mentally strong people do. Identify the factors that led to the mistake. Then, write down a substitute for the next time those thoughts, behaviors, and external factors arise. Mentally strong people don't resent other people's success. When you see a colleague receive a promotion, feelings of envy may come to the surface. While it is normal, feeling jealous of others' success eventually leads to resentment, which can distract you from your path. Instead, overcome your envy of other people's success and learn how to use their success to your benefit. Secondly, no one should have the power over your feelings. One of the biggest factors in taking control of your feelings is forgiveness. When you hold grudges, you allow others to limit your ability and disrupt your life. Therefore, it's important to forgive others for their felony and place your focus back on you. Mentally strong people don't dwell on the past. Many people feel like they are haunted by their past and by the legacy of their families. However, one should strive to find positive ways to move forward despite one's past. In short, embrace the change. Mentally strong people don't fear taking calculated risks. A major fear in many people is the fear of taking risks. Therefore, it's important to learn how to minimize risks and determine which risks are worth the benefits. Calculate risks by asking yourself, What are the benefits? How will this affect my goals? What are the alternatives? What is the best thing and the worst thing that can happen? If you write down the answers to these questions, you can review and examine them. Taking risks and stepping outside your comfort zone makes you stronger. Mentally strong people don't give up after their first failure and don't expect immediate results. A major fear many people experience is the fear of failure. Many will avoid failure at all costs, so they fear taking risks. However, almost every story of success begins with a lengthy road of failure. Failures should be viewed as a requirement for learning and success. No one is immune to hard times. However, it is how you react to those circumstances that makes the difference. If you could avoid these things when you face a tragedy or a setback, you'll find it easier to get back on your feet and continue living life to its fullest. And that's why we take immense pride in sharing with you these ideas, because one day this could become the habit that changes your life.